Yo, what up? What up? What up, everybody? Boom, 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 bum. What up? What up? Oh man. What a rough day. What happened? Why is it a rough day? Yeah, that's crazy. I'm back, Jim. My stream is doing a lot of spinning. Maybe it's my Ninja Trader. I'll shut Ninja off. Let me see. I'm thinking. I'm looking. Let me see real fast what else I can shut off here. That should free up a bunch. Free up a bunch of space. It's this time. Boom. Free longs, baby. We back. Yo, TJ, I got to request another payout, but destroyed 2 brand new funded accounts. What happened, man? What were you doing? What up, Double O? Trying to think what else there is. This thing looks like it's gonna freaking dump ski. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but today's been a freaking awesome day. If you weren't in and you missed out, we've been just crushing it. Today has been amazing. Today has been freaking amazing. You're working this morning? Bro, you should tell your boss that you need to take a shit at 9:28. Trade the open with us and then be done. Revenge trading and shit. Oh yeah, don't be doing that. Yo, every day 9:28. Nobody fucking talk to me. Straight to the bowl. Oh, you're your own boss, then I'd sit in front of the computer at 9:28. I would play the first half hour and then go do my own thing. Honestly, if I had to go do work, I would trade from 9:27 to 10:30 and be done. What up, Fiber? Just got home from the gym. Just try to make $1 out of 15 cents over here. Yo, what up, K Boogie? Any good trades this morning? A ton. We traded gold, NQ, you name it. What up, Jip? Yo, there was just a good one right here I completely missed out on. Yo, what up, Scalper? This thing looks like it's just going to dump. Looks like I'm going to get a little dumpy do here. This is either the very bottom and they hold this 592 and we continue up like 50 points, or they're going to bring this all the way back down. It is a coin flip, to me at least. Feels like more downside. Feels like more to the downside. I've been using the indicator. I've been using it. They said if you don't use it, you lose it. So I've been using it. Oh, baby. $30 with the 1 minute higher time frame. You're talking about the. I'm gonna move my camera over here going forward. Let's see if I could fucking do that now. I don't know if I can do that now. Let's see what happens. Can I move my camera over right now? No. Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna move my camera over. Because I'm always fucking looking on this screen. The MTF indicator? Sean, is that what I'm using? Oh, yeah. I'm using that right now. I like it. I like it a lot. The only thing I noticed you got to do is you just got to manually move it around a little bit. So like I want to see that move. Right? I want to see it come down in here for the bounce. It's good. It shows me where you know, you're almost better using a split screen like I have, and you can just kind of maneuver it around. Where one could be the something like this, but yet you could see the lower one right here. Like we should pull back to 83 here, right? So by the way, this indicator is free. The indicator is free that we're talking about. You just got to hit the boost button for Sean on the indicator. Yo, what are you going to change on it, dude? Hello, Marie. Hello, hello, hello. Always free. Oh, free for now. Bro, I mean, I'm not going to lie, man. You make really good indicators. If you charge somebody $4.99 a month, like $4.99, you could easily sell a package of indicators or $14.99. What up, Schulster? I use it on gold, bum, and we'll just say that I've made a good amount of money using it in a very short amount of time. I'm just watching. So, on a more important note, I was playing Brotato. Is there any point to it? You got to beat it. You got to beat it. Have you beaten it? Man, I need to vent. Fuck me. Things work here in America, but hell with the health system. It's it's big pharma. Look, so we're see it's moved. I gotta get it like yeah. It's so funny how they just don't tell people sometimes like, yo, you just eat healthy. They'll definitely want to give you medicine instead of like naturally fixing your shit, to be honest with you. Oh, well, that's crazy. Yeah. That's because they can. I'm grabbing this right here, by the way. Come on, man. Just come down a little bit more. I need. Cove Tato? Yo, I downloaded the new content. It was wild. It said DLC on it. I was like, I don't have no idea what DLC. It just popped up on the bottom right. I was like, I heard of DSLs, but never DLC. So I just clicked on it and I was like, oh, downloadable content. Didn't even know that.
Order filled.
I grabbed the mini in another account. Well, I'm out. I just grabbed $90 in there. Let me see how far this one goes. I'm just gonna move this up to break even. What's better, a 25K Lucid or a 50K? I'm more of a 50K person.
Order filled.
Quick $40. Plus, I got 90 over my other funded account too. That was a pretty good bounce, right? Look, literally just, well, it just shifted it fucking again. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I'll show you because I played it right off this. Played the bounce right off of it. It's just a scalp bounce, but it might go further. I've just been scalping out of it. Yeah, Jip. I like the 50Ks. That's what I use. I have I have some. I have a funded account. I did a whole Lucid review video. Did you see it? Chip. Look at that. See if I can find it for you real fast. Yo, Jip. That's a full Lucid video, by the way. Oh, man. I'm going to trade. What up, man? Smashing freaking trades today. I'm just trying to get all these accounts that are below 50,000 at least over 50,000. That's my goal. Dude, I'm having a great freaking day. I'm up a lot. I am up. Not only am I up a lot in prop firms, my personal account is up $13,600 today. So I am enjoying life right now. Yeah, I'm up $13,600 today. Yup. It's crazy. It is definitely crazy. Yeah, I mean, $100 would not be enough to do an account, anyways. Oh, I'm winning. I would say if you're gonna start like a live account that's only for futures, I would say you should have like probably $3,000 to $5,000 in it if you're gonna play for reals. You got to remember, you're probably only going to trade like one or two micros in an account that size. It's not like having a prop firm account, because in prop firms, you're willing to lose the money. It's not that big of a deal, so you play bigger. Bro, I don't know why anyone even fucking buys an account with them. Yeah, I don't know what the margins are, but I honestly, my account that I trade in, it doesn't matter. I'm not even close. Like, I could trade as many minis as I want, but I don't really know the margin requirements. Dude, I don't understand why. I mean, you got to be an idiot to use that firm. You got to be a freaking idiot to use that firm. Like, it makes no sense. You get a signing bonus? Get the fuck out of here. Yo. Fucking signing bonus? How about you sign that ACH or wire to me when I request a payout? Signing bonus. The yo. Signing bonus? Stupidest thing I heard. Signing bonus. Yo, they gave us free accounts, and I ended up not even using them. I didn't even use free accounts that they gave me. That's how much I don't want to trade with them. I won't even trade free accounts. Yo, what up, Peachy?
Order filled.
I do not think the Apex sale is going to be extended. They might extend the lifetime PA, but they're not going to extend the $20 accounts. The market's been great today. I would probably, like that Apex sale, I would probably get all the accounts you want by the time it runs up tomorrow. That's what I would say. Because think about it like this. It's not getting cheaper than $20, right? $20 is going to be the cheapest it is. So you might as well just do it by tomorrow end of day so you don't have to worry. If you want one account, if you want 5 accounts, I would just get them by tomorrow end of day on Apex. There's so much fucking ice. It's so cold. Yo, what up, Martin? I wish Apex would send the payout they approved last week so I can load up. You might get it. You might get it today or tomorrow. I know NQ gave it up. I was watching. Apex? Yeah, I'm buying those accounts. Hell yeah. $20? Fucking $65 PA fees? Yeah. I'm loading the boat. I just passed one today. Listen, are they the best prop firm in the world? No, but for the price, it's pretty fucking good for the price. Pretty good for the price. Right? Yo, why doesn't it show me where I freaking get in? Oh, there it goes. Now it's enabled. I like that blue line. It shows me where I got in at. So like I can sell out right here
Order filled.
and then move to break even and I don't have an issue. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to let this one go. Bro, get the 6 payout and you pretty much have a TPT account.
Order filled.
You know, like 56 bucks real quick. I'm going to start doing this with minis. I'm just kind of testing out I'm testing my strategy out in kind of real time. So that's all. Just some real time testing. You got a few L2. How many LUs are you up today, Marie? 11, 12? Yo, the Silver Gods. What up, Eli? Moneymakers in here. What up, guys? Like 6? Just remember, I mean, you know, now that you're up 6, you don't need to really like push it end of day. You know, like hour and 15 minutes left. You know, just kind of wait it out. What up, P-Long? I just wouldn't force anything. Three minis, silver long. What could possibly happen? Dude, there's no way I'm playing freaking silver 3 minis. I've done it by mistake, but that's it. I'm watching it take this long, by the way. I am stalking this long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, I hit it for $90 in another funded account also. Anyone else bang that real quick? Dude, smash the confetti if you got it. Dude. Boom. Dude, that was so good. Oh, it's going to go. I'm thinking. I am thinking. I mean, you got to sprinkle it on like the Salt Bay guy. Sean's going for 3 payouts today. It's a wild day. So that's a solid day. Yo, who subscribed? Who just subscribed? Texas Dynamite. Yo, welcome to the stream. Come say what's up. Come on, come to the front. We want to hear from you. We want to hear from you. Trader King LFTian. Welcome to the stream. Just checking to see. Honestly, I do not want to connect my personal anything to anything, to be honest with you. Elusive trading. Just being honest. I don't want to connect any of my personal stuff to anything. Any third-party software. Just being honest. Unless it's on the propfirm's page. Just, I'm worried about too many things. But that goes with any, it's not you, it's anything. What up, Trader King? I don't want to load anything up. All seriousness, my P&Ls or it doesn't matter to me. Like I know that I'm making money. I'm well aware I'm making money. It would just be another thing for me to do. Sir, in FTMO phase 1 and phase 2, am I allowed to risk more than 1%? I would never use FTMO. Well, why are you using FTMO anyways? Are you playing Forex or futures, Lucius? What are you playing? Yo, not only am I up what's on the screen, but like, let me just bring this up too. There, I'll just leave it all up. Dude, today's been freaking awesome. This one's over for a payout. This one just took a payout. And these two are right there for a payout. Another, what is that? Another less than $750, and I got 2 more payouts. I wonder if they're going to push me live after I get these payouts. I don't want to be. I'd rather just milk the fucking 5 accounts. Yeah, like I played that gold. I played that gold play off of that. See how it goes in the zone and it rejects? 5 accounts with who? I have 5 accounts with Fadias. My 5 Fadias accounts, I just took one payout. I'm over the buffer for another payout. And I have 2 more that are 750 away from a payout. It'd be like 8. It'd be 8 grand. Are you doing Forex? I don't really know, to be honest with you. I don't trade Forex to keep it reals. Yeah. In an unfun way. Well, that's what I don't want, Sean. I don't want one live account. Yo, I hooked up Bullnuts to Quant Tower and Lucid to Quant Tower. So now there's more shenanigans in the morning. Taking it to the freaking house. Oh. Also, you know what? Dude, you guys. You guys asked for prop firm rankings. I started this sheet. I started that sheet for anyone. Somebody's been asking. I've been filling it out. Actually, that link's not even working. Is it working? I have no idea. There, now that should work. Hey, Cove, I used coupon code at the Chinese massage parlor. There was a really odd Chinese lady that walked out of the back room, bro. But she probably had no gag reflex, which is obviously a positive for you, Steven. You're so proud. Dude, you guys have asked Chris. You know what I'm more proud of is the videos. The review videos that go into all aspects of it. The review videos are better. Let's be real. I actually had to do the Lucid video 3 times, by the way, Chris. The Lucid one was such a pain in the ass to do. It took me 3 times to do it. Yeah. Oh, jeez, Ange. MNQ, move it on up. Dude, gold rejected right off of there where I caught it, and it just... I took the short right here. Look at that.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, shit.
Order filled.
Look at that fucking scalp, bro. Literally just took it right off of there. Boom. Psh. Yo, Sean, you need to get in there, bro. Bro, look, it just caught the bottom, man. Yo, now it just had an inversion to the upside. This thing's gonna go. Yo, you should do this, Sean. You should get in on gold. I mean, the results speak for themselves. I mean, look at my account. It's not like I'm doing it. Sean, it's not like I'm doing it off stream and you just hear about it later on. It's not like I'm just, I'm actually trading it. I'm giving you the bird. Bro, you wanna fly high with gold, man. Marie, the pressure. Try with a sim account. There's no setups for a little bit. So let's go back to NQ. I'm just watching. I'm watching NQ. It's not great. It's not great. I'm only focused on fundies. I'll tell you what, once this Apex deal goes away, I'm probably only focused on fundies. Wait. What did Marie post? I gotta go dig. Dude, she posted something hysterical last night. Yo, fucking internet's amazing. Internet's amazing. Man, they're gonna walk this down. I'm probably looking for 540 to be honest with you. What is this? Dude, that's the bottom orb. I haven't even realized that we came in through the top. We're just working our way to the bottom orb. This is one big day of just staying in the range. That's wild. Watching, waiting. I'm wondering if it goes all the way down to the bottom. Come on. Look, ES is coming back inside the top orb right there. Look at that. ES is coming inside the top orb. ES is stronger since now we own a lot more oil. There's probably some oil companies in the ES. And anybody know what oil is doing today? What's crude oil doing today, anyways? Yo, crude oil hasn't gone anywhere. How has crude oil not gone anywhere? You would think crude oil is going to get cheap, right? That's why I didn't chase the companies, by the way. The companies are all up. But if you think about it, the price of oil should get cheaper now that there's just, we have access to so much more of it. You would assume it's going to get cheap. Anyone else think differently? Like, I think this is a near-term pop for oil companies, but I think overall it's going to go down. Anyone got a thesis on that? Oh, I think we're going lower.
Order filled.
You just wiped out a slew of Apex evals on silver. Why do you keep playing? Why do you keep playing them? Why do you keep playing silver? Like, you never used to play silver, so why play silver now? Are you like, is it like you have to play silver? I'm just wondering what the deal is with silver. The lore? I mean, what, that you could pass an account in like a day? Yo, I mean, I personally am not like I need to play silver. Addicted gambler degen. Like I I don't need to play silver. I actually like gold. I'd rather play gold over silver. Just broke the 50.
Order filled.
Dude, they just started ripping this thing. Holy shit. Only $25 a tick. Silver. Yo, you're in a short now and in it. I mean, I guess I get it. I understand why you want to do it. But you could definitely just destroy accounts so fast. I'm shocked that we didn't come down and touch 538. It was within reach. I mean, I don't do 10. I mean, I do 7. Uh, no, I'll be eating. I'm cooking my kids dinner and going to basketball practice and doing everything else that you could think of. I got full on dad life. Full on freaking dad life. That's why I don't do any. Dude, I don't even have time to go play freaking. Somebody asked me to do something one day at like, they're like, yo, we play at 6 o'clock. I was like, bro, 6? I was like, unless you're doing something at like 8:30 at night after my kids go to bed, I can't. I literally jump off this at 4:30, and it's right. I go pick my kids up, and then we start dinner. We eat dinner. We finish homework. We hang out a little bit, and then I putting kids to bed. I'm just being honest. I got no time to do anything. I'm freaking so beat. If I'm around, I'm around. I'll say that. If I'm around, I will. But my wife, even like when I go play ball and shit, like I cannot go. I really can't go to anything until it's 8 o'clock, which means we ate, homework is done, kids are showered, and the kids are upstairs like going to bed, and then I could be like, all right, I'm heading out. I have a 9 and 7, so I'm, you know, Kids don't want to do their homework. I don't want to do this. I deal with shit constantly. I got super dad life. Plus, I coach the sports, so I got to get there early for sports. Yeah, I got a serious dad life. After I do a lot of dad stuff, man. I coach all my kids' sports. Either I'm head coach or assistant coach. Um, yeah, man, I'm doing a lot of stuff. By the way, guys, I posted a stock options video over the weekend on the other channel. If you follow that stuff, I'm up $12,384 today. So everything was posted over the weekend. I post my portfolio in the Discord and shit. Everything's out in the open. Feel free to ask questions. Not hiding any of it. For the year to date, we're up $15,589 after 2 days. So it's a pretty good 2 days. I have an options channel. It's just like here. I'll put it in here. I'm trying to make 2 videos a week on it. There you go. You were doing the Moo account, the paper account. What happened with that? What happened to the Moo account? Yo, everyone's first experience is terrible, Boogie, because you're doing it the wrong way. That's why. Why 2 different channels? Because anytime I post stock or option shit, you guys, most of the people don't want to see it. So instead of it hurting the channel, I have moved it off to a channel that people just have that content. It's all free. But yeah. So every weekend, I'll post an update on what I'm in, and I'll try to make a second video about stuff I'm looking for. So like one video will be a week recap plus my portfolio, and then maybe Sunday would be what I'm looking to buy, and then that's it. It'll just be Saturday, Sunday videos. And we'll have the Discord if you want to shoot the shit through the week about it. You can ask on the live stream here. It's all out in the open. So nothing is like hidden or anything like that. Hold on. I gotta open my door real fast. Hold on a second. Yo, my kids just got home from school. First day back of school, baby. First day back, but kid's crying. My kid's so tired. We've been out like 5 days in a row past his bedtime, and he's just so tired. Like, he usually goes to bed. He usually goes to bed early. And we've been out to like 10, 11 o'clock every night for like 5 nights in a row. Yo, anybody new on here? Say what's up. Say what's up in the chat if you're new. We want to hear from you. Let's get some more people for the old Ducks. We're oh man. I think I was trying something called butterfly spreads. Why you don't do that. Don't do that, Boogie. I'll listen. I will I'll be more than happy to help you out, man. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to talk and walk you through stuff and whatnot. I got videos on it. I posted a video on the Discord. There's a video on the Discord for it. Also, you could buy a paper account through Maria. Who was it? You used one like Moo Trade or something like that? Moo Trade has paper accounts. It was something like that. Moo Trade. Yeah. Yeah, that's smash the likes. Smash it. Yeah, that's what you should get back into. Man, I'm looking for by the way, if you are new here, things are pretty good. These are my fundeds for today, and then obviously all these funded accounts. We smashed on the stream today. We definitely smashed. Got some payouts coming. We're close to payouts. Things are going good here. Things are definitely going good. Looks like we're flagging, and we might. I want to see where this flag goes. Does it just break down? I would love to see a one candle down to like 87, and then they rip it right back up. Then I'm in. Dude, I love the market today. KSK Family 88. Welcome to the stream, brother. I see Donna's in here. Jim's in here. Who else is in here? Moneymaker. Jay Styles. Who else we got? Fiber. Garen's in here. RPPX 6LP. I don't know who that is. There's a bunch of people. Yo, if you're new here, say what's up. You probably hit consistency for the day. Chris. Sod Dragon. What's up, Paul? How's your day going, man? See, what's interesting here is stochastics are pulling down, right? Price is not going down. So I want to see what happens to this flag as we start getting lower on stochastics. And if we continue holding, I'm going to take this long. Christopher McDonough, welcome to the stream. Gary Moville's in the house. Who else we got? Welcome, welcome, everybody. How's trading been? Garen, how's trading been for you? Profit target is 200. That's all. You made it. Mr. Boo Boo. Dude, Mr. Boo Boo in the house. I probably said that wrong, but I just went with it. Mr. M Diamond. I am expecting a dent dump before close today. Did you play gold? I did. Yo, Jonathan, I hit on almost every gold trade today except for maybe one. Dude, stop playing silver. What's up, Crick? Wow, English decent. I don't know what that means, but I am. Yo, you played silver on TPT? Little XRP long? Yo, how about that Soul long from last week, Chris? Boom. Shit smashed. So long. Bro, so I killed it on Soul. 1,600 bucks, 17x leverage. You're better off. Yo, longs 10 minis on silver. May the odds forever be in your favor.
Order filled. Order filled.
If they can get it right over here, it's now or never. It's now or never for a push out of here. If it doesn't push out of here now, I would take this short. I'm risking less than 10 points. I'm risking less than 10 points. It's kind of a now or never type situation for me. Come on. I think they're going to flag this out of this. I'm just waiting. What up, XRP? Come on. Yeah, I always go back live at 2 p.m. XRP. If I stop for lunch, I go live about 2 p.m.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Push it right out of this. Come on. Come on, baby. Just do it. Wait, wait. Boop! Boop! Boom! Go up, baby! Oh.
Order filled.
Are you fucking kidding? I just got an email that My Fund and Future is rolling out the daily. There's no point. Their plans have been like, honestly, they're falling behind. They're falling behind Lucid. They're falling behind, like, their daily payouts aren't even daily payouts. You got to make $500 to be a daily payout. That's not a daily payout. Yeah, this isn't going anywhere.
Order filled.
What's going on with Topstep? I don't know. I don't use Topstep. I don't know. They're charging you more money. Bro, the second I hit the button, I got out of the eval and I'm still in the funded. Out of curiosity, why choose retail indicators that are arbitrary? Wait, out of curiosity, why choose to use retail indicators that are arbitrary and don't provide inherent value as to why the market is moving? I don't see how edge could be possible. Maybe it's not possible for you. It's possible for me because I'm profitable doing it. What indicators do you use? Let's start there. What are you using?
Order filled.
But yeah, I think I need to go to daily payouts at the end of the day. The problem is my fund futures makes it so you basically need to make $500 with the $2,000 drawdown. So you got to make 25% of the drawdown to get a daily payout. It's not really daily payouts. Just being honest. I would rather go Take Profit Trader or Lucid. Lucid has great accounts. I would go either one of those before I went. They just fucked it up. They started charging more money, and now they're pushing everybody into like these pro plans that are like $100 and something. It's just not worth it. Pro plans where you get paid once every 14 days is not good at all. I don't know why they did that. I don't know. Whoever's running their shit needs to fix it up a little bit, I think. Dude, forget about Chop Shop. I'm not using Chop Shop at all. If you're using them, dude, I don't even know. Like, explain to me why you'd use them over all the other great options that are out there. It makes 0 sense. 0 sense. I don't think your question is meaningless. The reason I asked you is because I get a lot of people in here trying to sell me a paid indicator or tell me that their way is the only way that's right. I use change of structure. See, I have this on here. This is change in state. I definitely use. I definitely use other things that are not on this screen. Like, I have my gold up. I've been scalping gold all day on the stream. Just using a simple fib retracement with inversions. You know, I like to put as many probabilities in my favor. And that's it. That's all I could do, right? Yo, I love funded ticks because because they change rules every week and they don't want to pay you. Yeah, I would say that uh yeah, I gotta this is the indicator I use for gold. Just look up MTF autofibs. It's right there. Take a screenshot. It's free. I just put probabilities. Also, there's certain things within the market that have percentages, like the statistics of breaking one side or the other. Statistics of a lot of different things. There's statistics of coming down to midnight open. Not that I use it every day, but I just know in my head what the statistic is of it coming down there. I have trades that I do during the day that I've back tested that I know the win rate of them with 1.5 R with a 64% win rate. Like, these are all things that I've gone through and I do it every single day. And I do it live here, so it's out in the open. You know, that's how I made 1, 2, 3, 4. I made this today live using something that I back tested, a lot, and I forward tested it. I like liquidity sweeps, like things like this, where you take out this low here and then you come back to the upside. Those are my types of trades. I wasn't at the computer, but I would have taken this fair value gap inversion 1,000% and just targeted like probably this wick. Those are things that I like, where you take out a low or high and then come back the other way. Yeah. So NQ Stats guy has a lot of good stats. Edgeful had a couple things that I took from them and looked at. I honestly I canceled Edgeful. I canceled Edgeful. But NQStats.com has a free one. That guy has got a couple good things. Um, and then I back tested a lot. You know, I definitely back tested. And then once I had something that has a decent back test, you got to forward test it, you know? And then that's the only way that you know it's going to truly work, right? I don't know it's going to work until I do it in the real environment. You know, we could talk about it on paper all you want, but until you're doing it and see how the fills are, like I could tell you about trades that you could trade like the London Open with gold, but the fills kind of suck. So it's not as good as it looks like on paper. You know, there's a couple things that little nuances in the market that are good until the and whatnot. But I'm just being honest. I mean, I think about everything, statistics. I might be joking around on the stream, telling jokes and doing all types of stupid shit to have some fun with people and to keep it entertaining and light during the day. But the whole time, my focus is to make as much money in this market as possible. And that's it. I'm trying to extract as much money from the market every single day as humanly possible without taking a major risk to my portfolio. And that's what I do. I do that in my fucking hat, my hoodie, in my office, at my house, and that's all I care about. And I have fun doing it with everybody on the stream. You know, everything's free here. People ask me questions. People ask me to make them videos about stuff that's super simple, and I do it anyways, just to help the community. And maybe that one video helps that guy go on this crazy path and he becomes super profitable and I helped him, like it's kind of what this thing's about. So, that's what it is. But I appreciate you coming on the stream today. You're more than welcome to hang out, stick around, ask as many questions as possible. And yes, in my personal account, I'm up about 12,000 today. It has gone down a little bit since before. Kind of upset. Cove cares. I share my options, my stocks, my everything. I'll give you a little heads up. I knew some guy. I've said this guy plenty of times on the stream. All he used was 8 EMA and a 34 EMA and traded with Heikens. And through different times of the day, would use the 1, 3, and 5 minute. And he was trading real cash and would just play crossovers. And he was up like $350,000 by I think it was June or July. I've seen people do all types of silly, super easy stuff and make a lot of money. Can you buy a combine for your brother to let him trade? I would not have him sign into your account and trade a combine at the same time you are, because it'll be 2 different IP addresses, and you're not supposed to have someone trade your account at any time. I've seen people make a lot of money doing simple stuff. You know what they stay away from? Revenge trading, sizing up, not waiting for their entry. That's what kills people more than anything. Not, oh, I followed my strategy and my strategy didn't work. It's always I sized up. I revenge traded. I did this. I deviated from the strategy. And that's when people lose money. Not any other time. I haven't had anybody in here be like, man, I've been following my strategy. to a T, and I'm losing money. I don't think I've ever heard that from anybody. It's always I revenge traded today. Oh, the market chopped me up. I wasn't waiting for my entry. I was doing this. I was doing that. It's never I followed my strategy and was disciplined and I can't get it to work. I'm just being honest. Several Bollinger Band with RSI, it might work. It might work. You just got to back test. If you back test it, Chris, and it looks promising, I would forward test it in a sim account that you can get for free with Ninja. Play it out for a couple weeks, and if it's profitable, start playing small. Can't hurt. Forward test it for a week. I made a lot of money today. Well, no. Made a lot of money today. A lot of money. For everyone to see, too. Also, I was calling out gold plays yesterday in the Discord, which was awesome. I've been playing gold and NQ, so if you got interest in either one, yeah. Crushed gold. Bollinger Bands are the most useless indicator ever created. Market goes up, bands just keep widening. Goes down, compresses. Power Hour has 0 power. Dude, we haven't gone anywhere. Look at this. It's one big flag, though. I think they're going to push this out of it, personally. I think they're going to push it here for Power Hour. Here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, it's only a 10-point window if you think about it. So I'm literally risking less than 10 points. I think MOC is going to pop it out, to be honest. A guy I've been trading for a couple of weeks turned me on to it. He's made around 85K in paper trading. And hey, if it works, it works. Listen, who am I to say it doesn't work until you test it out, Chris? I've never tried it. I think I've seen the strategy on here, though. Look at that shit.
Order filled.
Look, now it's a free trade, and I locked in, I don't know, locked in a little bucks. But you know what I also did? I played a mini on it. This is a funded account. I just played a mini on. Boom. What was that, 120? Same trade. I just did it on my other screen with the mini.
Order filled.
Worst comes to worst, I locked in. I don't know, probably 70, 80 bucks. Maybe a little bit more. Damn, that's wild, people. Milk with that sounds so. It's more mental. I would say that trading's probably like 85% mental. I don't know. You know what it is? Other people came out with better plans. Just being honest with you. Lucid came out with those plans. The only thing that's worth getting is the core account there. And they even raised the price like $4 or $5. Like, I don't know. It's still good. I'm only rebilling my $59 accounts. I'll tell you that. If it's not $59 on my rebill because I bought Cove, I could not get. What were you able to download it, or were you able to find it? Could you find it at all, or you can't even find it? I guess we'll start there. Okay, so this is what you do. Did you even click the settings? Look, go here, click this settings button, and then go to 5-minute. Go to 5-minute. It's probably set for 1 day. You didn't go to settings and set it up. So you got to go to higher time frame, do this, and then look back means it's 17 candles back. I have some, what do you call it? I have a whole video on it, by the way. I'm not playing MOCs in 2 minutes. I feel like it's going to go to the upside here. I feel like MOC is going to go to the upside. You know what it is a lot of people don't click the settings button. They think it just pops up on the screen. It doesn't. You got to hit the settings button and set what you want it to do because it's defaulted to 1 day. All right, let's just, dude. This is gonna go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. $36. Was that $87 I just got? $87 make you holla? $87, baby. Yo, I nailed that. I told you to the upside. Balls, bro. I wheelbarrow them around. If you're not listen. That's a funded account, Knob. That's a funded account. What's up, everybody on the stream? Yo, if you're new, say what's up. I want to hear from you. I make this shit look easy. It's not. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. There you go, Maria. Yo, BK in the house. What's up, BK? I can't see my duck, Martin. Oh, man, Martin's sprinkling in the chaos already. My duck. What up, piano? Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Mamma mia. If you guys didn't know, Apex deal ends tomorrow.
$20 an account. They save you money on the big ones, without a doubt, on the front end. Mr. Zone. Siptostrat. What up? Say what's up, guys. I want to hear from you. Yo, I want to hear how your trading's going, man. Welcome to the stream. No, it doesn't. Make sure you cancel them shits, Maria. Make sure you cancel them. I have too many evals. Yeah, they don't rebuild. So at that. So make sure you cancel. I tell everybody that. Yeah. Always look to see what they rebuild at. Right? If you're not, it's got to rebuild at a good price. Otherwise, I cancel it. I canceled a bunch this weekend. Yeah, you have till the end of the day tomorrow. It ends tomorrow. Green Day, baby. Back here after 3 months. Yo, I thought your name... Dude. See, it doesn't show the name. So I see B. Hushant. Which I guess I'm just going to go with Hushant. What up? Welcome back. B. Hushant. Dude, I'm bad at this. I'm well aware I'm bad at this. But I'm trying. I have a Green Day again, happy, but I did blow up a couple of accounts. Oof. Yo, $98? Dude, I'm not paying $98. All right. 73.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to take a shot right here. I don't like this because there's 5 minutes left in the day, so I'm not copy trading it, and I'm keeping it fucking tight. Come on. Come on, man. I'm risking about 6 points. Six points. Just no juice. No juice. I'm going to get stopped out. This shit's going to go lower. Nah, I'm going to be out. All right. I risk 6 points. I still think it bounces around here, to be honest. Tell me you just wicked me out. Tell me you just wicked me out of the bottom. I don't like it because there's 4 minutes. There's less than 4 minutes left. So I do like this area for a bounce, though. At least back up to the 9. Oh. I would be even right now. What up, Chester?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just got some. Look, they bottom ticked me right there. That's fucking so dirty. So dirty. Look how dirty that is. retracement right in there, and then bounce. Super fucking simple. I'm just nervous because there's 4 minutes. If there wasn't 4 minutes left, I would have probably had a bigger stop and I would have made money. Tell me, I mean, that was the spot. I mean, how do you enter the giveaway? You gotta, 1, be subscribed to the channel. 2, you gotta put in the code !Cove Trader. And if you're brand new, it may not let you in for like 10, 15 minutes, and you might have to come back tomorrow. Or it might be closed already. It's open during normal trading hours. But I prevent it so somebody can't sign in with 30 accounts. So it kind of keeps it legit. But you're more than welcome to hang out. It's more, you know, forget about the giveaway is great, but don't you want to learn how to make money? And hang out in a cool community with a lot of cool people that can probably help you out more than anything? That's probably, you know, for free. Look at that. I fucking had the bottom. Sean's requesting 3 payouts right now. I got paid today from a prop. See, this is why I don't even have an account open for. No. Nope. No. That's not even the setup I would want. My screen is lagging. I'm going to reset my whole computer tonight anyway, bum. My whole computer is going to get reset tonight. I am, the biggest thing that I wanted to do today was, I got to save my settings on here. And then, that's all I wanted to do. I'm going to reset my whole computer. Right? I mean, I just think it needs a clean reset. Right? What up, D-Ba? Yo, John White. Are you related to Marie White? Just in the spirit of keeping everything transparent. If you're following me on my other channel, we are up $11,190 in this account today, and I'm up another 500 and something dollars in my E-Trade account. So that's $11,600 today. And you could see it. Let me go up to my activity. Year to date. So this account year to date is at $14,400. I have a stock and options channel that I keep that stuff on. Actually, I thought I was up $500. It's $466.96 in my E-Trade account. I keep it as transparent as you can get it. No, I know, Martin. I know, Martin. I got it. I got it. I blew one down in 2 and 3 and up in 3. Well, I'm just curious, what made you blow the one, Richard? Were you over trading, over leveraging? What were you doing? What were we doing that caused it to happen? What could we do to fix it? You didn't get it? Message Sean. Yo. Yo, D-Bot, go into the Discord and message Sean. There's the link. Because I'm pretty sure I sent him your email. So go in there, message him, and that should be it. Yo, today was a great day. Another great day in the freaking chat. Silver? Yo, Cove, I didn't get holding too long thinking about it. You just gotta set a stop, to be honest with you. Just set a stop and just get out. You know, holding too long. Yeah, it's funny. People will hold on to their losers forever and then cut winners real quick. Makes no, that's not how you're going to win this. You want to cut your losers quick. Remember, once it breaks structure, the trade is done. Like, for argument's sake. You know, and it sucks. Like, I was in this trade at the bottom and I got wicked out. But I knew once we took out the low, I'm out. That's my stop. And yeah, it sucks because I missed out on, you know, 20 points at the end of the day. But you know what? It's the end of the day. I don't want to risk thing. You know, I just don't want to risk it. So I don't want to, you know, you always have to have a stop and say, listen, once it breaks there, the trade just doesn't look good anymore. Now you're just hoping. You can't, hoping isn't going to get you payouts, you know, because yeah, it might work out one time, but it takes one time of hoping to just take a massive loss and you're just done. You know what I'm saying? Anybody got questions about anything? Anything? Mike! He finally fixed his Discord. Nice, man. Oh, man. That hopium never worked. Dude, it doesn't. But you know what? So many people do it constantly. Like, it's just going to come back and they're going to make it. And it just never works. It just never works. You know, I don't. You just got to learn how to just give it up and just say, F it. You know what I mean? What time do we log in your channel on Discord? We've just been doing YouTube. I trade at night on Discord. There's a bunch of people on Discord at night that are trading and stuff like that. I'm trading. I trade gold at night and some NQ. Sean trades crypto at night. Who else is around? I mean, there's a bunch of people around at night that are trading. I try to keep everything in there because, you know, it just kind of, I want to shoot the shit and trade at the same time. So, you know, what I'm doing. Plus, it's a good place. I hang out. People ask questions at night. It's an easy spot for me to help anybody out that's got questions about anything. You know. Oh. Not too familiar with Discord. Whiskey channel on there at night. You know, we play poker in there sometimes at night. If you want to play poker, it's free. We just kind of hang out. But we hang out, play poker in there. You know, stuff like that. Oh, not whiskey? Oh, which channel on there? Just the main channel. And sometimes we play poker. You go to there's a voice channel on the left. You scroll down and there's a voice channel, and we're on there, and you can listen. You could talk also. Like anyone can talk. It's not just me. It's everyone's talking. Which is pretty cool. But yeah. Oh man. Dude, today was great. I got my payout today. A couple other people got payouts. But we only like my Soothe Silk. Am I in a trade right now? No. I am not in a trade right now. It's 4:11 and I just had a great freaking day. I'm not risking, you know, I'm going to show you my fundies. Got these accounts, got my funded accounts. I showed you my personal accounts. I'm up. Whip it out for us, Cove. Yo, get in a trade and get a shave too. Dude. Today's been awesome though. No more biscuits will be risked. Yeah, I got all the biscuits today. I got as many biscuits as you would want. A lot of biscuits. I was just looking at what gold's doing. Gold did nothing all day. Like, look at gold today. This was gold all day long. Ever since, I don't know, 10:30, gold has done nothing but go back and forth all day. That's crazy. It's a full day of going nowhere. That's so wild. No trend, no nothing. Just back and forth all day long. Yo, whip out that P&L. Dude, I had a great day. I had a great Friday was the first day of the month. I had a great Friday. Yeah. I did like 3,000 on Friday. And today was a monster. Dude, today's one of those days that, like, this might be one of my highest days. It's probably gonna be my highest day all month. It's probably gonna be like one of my top 10 highest days of the year is probably today. I mean, 11.7 is a lot of money in one day. So I'm kind of happy. But Cove, how can you get my setups? I'm on live every day. You can just come on the live stream. You could pass them in 3 days because I think they have 40% consistency rule on eval. So yeah, take 3 days to pass. All right. I am going to get this freaking ducks going. Duck race. For all you guys that bugged me, well, not bugged me, it was good. I should have done it. But there's all the rankings. I'm filling out the form. I'm not completely done, and I'm making a review video about every single firm from my personal experience, not anything else. Just my fucking personal experience and giving you my thoughts. So if you watch the videos on there, they're like 8 minutes long. It just goes into all aspects and what I personally think and what I personally like and what I think is the best bang for the buck. You know, it's just personal thoughts on things, not just, oh, this is this is that. No, it's like my personal experience with using that company. All right, I am going to jump into everything. By the way, Apex deal ends tomorrow. If you're interested, Apex ends tomorrow night at midnight. If you want to hang out, here's the link to our free Discord. I'll probably be playing gold in there tonight. I was trying to think of the website to get the ducks open. Oh, man. Do a couple races. Yo, welcome to the stream, Phil. Bro, I was at Hungry Root yesterday looking at it. It's crazy how that happens. You email me back? All right. I will look. I will definitely look. Uh-oh, the Batman duck. I am Batman. I'm Batman. We're probably off the screen. This is just to get into what do you guys want to do? You guys want to do penguins today? Rigged. Yo, do you guys want to do penguins today? What do you think is the choice of winner's race? We got penguins. We got There's just so many ducks that you could just see a bunch just fall off the end of the screen. Dude, I don't own this website, so I don't care who wins. I like to spread it out. I like to spread it out to everybody. Matt Rad. So I think we're going to have 4 of these. Oh, I got something starting tomorrow also. If you guys have not, I'll just get it out right now. Hold on. Let me look. If you've already going forward, you have to fill this out going forward. Just so I know who to get in touch with. If you win a duck race and you have not filled this out ever, you can't win. Just an FYI. If you've never done it. So if your name's not on it, I will check. You cannot win. You got to do it before you race, starting tomorrow. So today's whatever, but starting tomorrow. Where's the fucking ducks? Where did I just put the duck tab? Yo, later, Mike. Mr. Mulatto. Ooh, the pullback. Yo, P-Long. The old chump duck. Put your handle on in there if you can, just so I know who it is. Yeah, put the YouTube handle. I have no idea. Is this guy around? Team Massive. What up? Yeah, use your handle, though. Yo, what do you guys want to do? Penguins or something else? Corey, that's for my information for seeing something else. Race cars. You want to do race cars? We'll do race cars. Chris. Yeah, Chris says race cars. Oh! Chris. Yo, race cars, baby. Race cars. Race cars. There's some other ones we've never done before. I might roll them out this week. By the way. Damn, you got a Ford GT. Trader King's got a Porsche. That's a McLaren. And I think that's, what, is that an a Lexus supercar? Can we put bets on who we think will win? I have this weird feeling it's going to be Chris or Matt. I like the Ford GT, so I'm thinking Chris. Looks like an NSX. Chris has got this. He's going to hit the fucking... He's going to be like, NOS! Oh, man. Bro. I'm going to show you some of the other ones that we could do, though. So we could do the monster race. Well, we haven't done the running one in a while. Fancy dress race. We could do downhill skiing. We could do the snail race. Yo, we could do the camel toe race if we want to do. We could do yo, running and swimming are rigged. We could do camel toe racing. Clown race, a food race. Bro, camel toe races? All right, tomorrow we'll do camel toe races. Camel toe Tuesdays? Oh, man. Camel toe Tuesdays. You got meth elves. Yo, camel toe Tuesdays. Yo. Oh, man. That's freaking hysterical. Well, I hope everybody had a good day today. I know I did. I know how I had a good day. I hope you guys had a good day. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. Does Apex need to be passed by tomorrow too? I believe they do. I believe they do. So they might extend that part of it. Massive. They might extend just the PA fee. They've done that in the past, where they won't extend the front end, but they'll extend the PA fee for like another week. Just throwing it out there. I bought one today too. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna hammer it. And I got some other ones I gotta pass too. Like this one I just bought today, and then these two I gotta pass. So I'm gonna hit the accelerator on that and see what I can do. I'm gonna play gold tonight, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys had a good day also. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. But I'm going to jump off. I got to go do dad life stuff. I got to go get dinner ready. You never passed one? Well, let's pass it tomorrow. Why not? We could definitely do it. definitely pass it tomorrow. But, whoo! Today was a good day, though. All right? Yo, I would say, think about why you're not passing them. You're probably like revenge trading and shit. But, I'm going to do my best tomorrow to pass them. We'll do it. Come on the stream. We'll do it. I was up 130 on crypto account I won here. Went to the gym and accidentally left the trade on. Well, be glad it's free, helpful. Bring the camel toes. John White Freedom. Love it. All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow. All right? Peace.